For every day in November, I'm gonna build a part in my level using this random wheel. My only goal is to finish the level with all 30 themes and eventually get it rated. However, there are 3 rules. Every time I spin for a theme, I have to take it off the wheel and use what I get no matter what. All of the parts have to be uploaded as a YouTube video, all the way from the 1st of November to the 30th. After the month of November ends, my level must get rated. If it doesn't, then I fail. Will I get through all 30 days of November? Or will I succumb and fail? Hello everyone, it's day 9 of BLOCKVEMBER now. Let's see what we get. Okay. Pixel style, I've never really delved into this one. Good old pixel style. Last time we built the rubbed up part, and now we're gonna make a part with, well, rubbed up's new style, basically. Anyways, onto the actual pixel design stuff. I've never actually used pixel design before, so I have no idea how to start this. Likely, all I'm gonna be using is gonna be from this tab right here. However, I don't know how to use this tab right here. Okay, so the base increases the saturation of the inside, and then increasing this increases the outline. Okay, I see. I think I understand. I'm gonna try and figure out how I'm gonna use these. Okay, so I've got 3 layers here. I think they're gonna look cool together. I have no idea though. The problem with the pixel tab is there's just way too many blocks. I don't want to learn these. Like, my brain is just confused looking at all these new sprites. Like, if I was really experienced with the pixel tab, I could make really cool decoration. But it's just so massive. I reckon I'll use these objects right here for spikes. They look like, they look like they could do jobs as spikes. Nah, but these don't have outlines and the blocks here have outlines, so it's not a good fit. A better fit would probably be these ones. I'll just add a little bit of glow for, because, you know, it's turning out, maybe it's just these backgrounds. I'll choose this one instead. This is dreadful. I'm gonna look at other pixel levels. One good one that I know is the Towerverse. Yeah, the pixels here are pretty cool. Yes. I think I see. Back to it. Maybe I could just color this in white and I'm gonna add some fuzz to these blocks as well. I should make this more vibrant. I'll probably go for something like that and then make this part a little bit more like ground colored. Is there anything here that could help me with like grass blocks? And yeah, just kind of spread these around because I think they look kind of cool, I guess. Sort of. When I was playing the Towerverse, I saw these blocks in use and they look pretty cool, so I'm gonna use them, I suppose. Maybe I'll kind of make the blocks like that and then add a drop shadow behind them because we all love drop shadow. So what if I go something like that? Oh, no. Nothing in pixel style looks good. What the hell? Maybe I'll just make it really dark so you can't really tell where the pixels are. And then it won't seem so tacky. I think I'll just make the background like, I don't know. There's no good backgrounds in this game. Oh, maybe that one works actually. And then just put more drop shadow behind everything because, you know, drop shadow is, oh, that is not on the right layer. We have a structure going on, but like, is it going anywhere? I'm not entirely sure. All I can do is just keep on placing random pixels and hope it works. Because keep in mind, this is only the block design and I'm probably gonna add some pulses as well. What if I make the background like really dark? Oh, actually, hold on. And maybe cooking, maybe slightly, maybe burn down the kitchen. We have one little pixel structure there. Now what do? I know there's even more animated pixels over here. And let's see, I think I can, I have an idea with this. Oh, there we go. There's a little torch there. And now we can do the same exact thing we did for the last torch. Oh, I don't know how to do pixel design. I'm just gonna make lighting. So I've just got the original Smango lighting here with the black base and the blending top glow, which is just blending background. I'm gonna try and work on this structure now because this is lacking. I'm gonna copy this grass thing over here because I think the grass thing looks sort of cool. Okay, so more grass. I'm not too sure what's happening here. I'm gonna add more spikes. You know what? I'm gonna make it look a little harder than it actually is, and also post the blocks as well because, you know, posting is kind of cool. So let's see that now. Yeah, that's kind of cool. And now to transfer that block design over here. Bro, pixel design is so hard. How do people decorate entire platformers with this? What the heck? This torch thing, I'm just gonna copy and paste it everywhere, to be honest. It's a little cool design. Oh wait, no, I should put the fire down here. Oh yeah, I should put the fire like that, so like there's actually something down there. I'll do that for this one as well. I think that looks, oh, I think it looks better. You know what? This part is missing a background. Let's make one. What can I use for background? This, I guess. I'm not too sure what they are, but there's something. There's something. And just copy and paste it like that because like, we don't have time. Yeah, and just warp it like that. Put that on the floor. Should be good. And I noticed there were also these like tree type objects here, which I might be able to use for the background. Put this little tree thing on B4 and just fill it in the background of the tree thingy as well. Pixel objects. The layering on this stuff is so weird. Why are pixel objects only on... Why are they formatted like blending objects? Yeah, I think that looks cool. I'm gonna spread that in the background now. Yeah, just warp that tree. Just be massive, you know? Just kind of spread that around everywhere. Because the key in Because the key in pixel style is, I think it's just put pixels everywhere until the screen looks filled. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wait, this parallax looks actually kind of good. Hold on, am I cooking? Whoa. Yeah. I don't think I'm digging this design though. I'm gonna remove it and just replace it with a little bit more grass, because we can't go wrong with more grass. Looks cool. I'm gonna add more lighting. You see this design from the particles tab? Well, I'm just gonna steal that because it would look pretty decent in this one. Okay, now what can I do with the actual pixels? Because I need sort of connectors here now. You know what? That one right there, I think that's good. If I warp it like that and then like we get like a vine. The blocks moving down make it so these connectors like go off sync and they look really weird. So I'm just not gonna move those blocks at all. Just spread that everywhere. Everything's fine and dandy. These connectors, I don't know what these connectors are. I think they're there just to like try and indicate where the player is supposed to go. I also gotta decorate this one because it's like basically in the part. Basically. This pixel page is so weirdly organized, I can't find what I'm looking for at all. I'm trying to find one of these blocks, but for situations where I have to decorate these. And that's just not in the pixel tab for some reason. What? Maybe it just wants me to do this. And that... Ew. Whatever, I'll do it. I don't really care too much for the pixel part anyway. Oh wait, no, I could just be using those grass blocks because that works for that. Oh, I should disable background effect as well, because there's like random particles in the ship part. And now if I play it, the particles should be gone. Yep, they're gone. Some final things, maybe some like tombstones. That fits what I'm going for. But a bunch of tombstones in the front, and this is all for the foreground. Let's move them all by negative 0.2 of player, because it's a foreground, and foregrounds do that. Okay, no, hold on. Okay, so what else are we missing? Let's have a sun in the background. Can't have an outdoor part without having a sun in the background. And we'll make it out of pixels too. I mean, that's the whole premise of the part anyway. Maybe I can make a sun like that? I mean, sorta. Put this sun over this sun, and then this sun will create a this sun, this sun, this sun, this sun, this sun, this sun. Wow. Actually, I think that looks kind of cool. It's just that doesn't really fit what I'm going for. I need to choose a different solid white block, like maybe this. Yeah, that works. Then yeah, a massive glow around that as well. Put that bang in the background. Put it at a 0.722, something like that. And now, come on. The sun should be there. Now, where did the sun go? Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, it's actually there. It's just that we cannot see it. So to compensate, I'll make the trees slightly less tall. I think that looks closest to what I want to achieve. And I mean, how long have I taken now? 2 hours? Oh, yep. I'm going to make the title card. I'm going to make the font out of these objects because I think they're kind of cool. P-I-X-L. Pixel. Wow, pixel is a really easy word to make. And put a slight glow on that as well. Oh, that's too high. Instead of having the torch in there, I'll probably have pixel in there and move the torch over here because that's another space where the torch can be. Yep, pixel in there, we should be fine to go. Last thing I'm gonna add, probably like animated pixel arrows, because I think I've seen those in levels sometimes. Maybe an arrow just like that with those two objects right there. Yeah, so B2 on that, B1, B2, B1, B1, B2, B1, B2, B1. Yeah, so just kind of have this point in the direction that the ship is supposed to be going, just for a little effect. We don't want it too often, you know. Honestly, I think I'm pretty happy with this. For myself, who's never used the pixel style before, I think that this is a good first try. Anyways, time spent. Oh my god, 2 hours and 20 minutes. Objects. Okay, this is gonna be pretty high. Wow, 777 on the dot. That's like the slot machine number. 777. That's all right for this. I think that's the amount of objects I should be aiming for each part. And now, without further ado, let's see the entire thing so far. So we got day 2. We got day 3. Okay. We've come a pretty long way so far. Okay, this part is still neo design. Okay, one object, and now there it is, pixel. Okay, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you're watching at least a day from now, the next episode is probably out, and you can click it right here to watch it right now. You know you want to click it. You just want to click it so bad. You want to click the end screen. You just want to